Hey everyone, if you've been eyeing a premium Samsung phone but don't want to spend over $1,000, then I've got something you'll love. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. It's got that premium Galaxy feel, the AI smarts from Samsung's flagship S24 lineup, and best of all, it won't wreck your wallet. Big, beautiful display plus premium feel right off the bat, the screen is stunning. It's a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X, super vibrant, sharp, and buttery smooth thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. And yeah, this thing feels solid. It's got Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides and an aluminum frame. Water and dust resistance? Yep, IP68 rated. It's giving serious flagship vibes at a mid-range price. Smooth performance plus all-day battery inside. It's running on Samsung's new Exynos 2400E chip. Basically, it's fast, snappy, and handles multitasking or gaming without breaking a sweat. You've got 8 GB RAM and up to 512 GB of storage too, so space isn't really a worry. Battery-wise, it packs a 4,700 mAh cell. That's more than enough to take you through a full day, and with 25-watt fast charging, you're back to 50% in just about half an hour. Cameras that actually impress. The camera setup? Super versatile. You've got a 50-megapixel main shooter with optical stabilization, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide for landscapes or group shots, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x zoom. That's real optical zoom, not just digital stretching selfie cam's 10-megapixel. And honestly, it does a great job in both daylight and low light. Plus, Samsung's AI touches up shots beautifully without making them look fake. Galaxy AI is a game changer. This is where it gets cool. Samsung has packed the same Galaxy AI from its flagship S24 series into the FE. Here are some of the features I love. Photo Assist lets you remove people or objects from photos, or even move them around. Live Translate lets you talk to someone in another language in real time during a call. Circle to Search is super handy. Just circle anything on your screen and search it instantly. Note Assist, Instant Slow-Mo, and Browsing Assist. All smart little touches that make your phone feel, well, smarter. These AI tools are actually useful, and most run on device, so your data stays private. So, is it worth it? Starting at $649, the Galaxy S24 FE gives you most of what you'd get in the regular S24, same AI features, similar design, and a great screen, but for a lot less money. Honestly, if you want flagship features without the flagship price tag, this phone checks a lot of boxes. It's fast, smart, great looking, and backed by 7 years of software updates. You really can't go wrong. Let's wrap it up. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about, or if you're thinking of picking one up. And hey, if you're into honest, hype-free tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap that bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay connected. Catch you in the next one.